Look at the size of this guy. Look how long he is. First I wasn't sure if he was a possum until I got a good look at him, but yeah, this thing is huge. Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today we are showing a trail cam video from a location we have not yet shown you. It's not one of the new locations we've placed a camera. We've had a camera here, we just haven't had a chance to share a video from this camera. And as you saw from the title of this video, we're going to call this the Possum Cam, because there are a lot of possums here. One of the things you'll notice from this video, you'll find it glaringly obvious, is that wild animals, they follow trails, they follow the same patterns. So when you're walking in the woods and you see a trail, ask yourself, was this trail made by humans or was it made by animals? And chances are most trails in the woods were made by animals. Even if humans follow them too, you'll see animals. You'll see deer walking down the same trail as you'll see raccoons, possums, and any other weird kind of animal, coyotes, whatever you see. Yeah, they'll just wander through the woods, but they follow set patterns and set trails. And we have seen this in videos time and time again. Wild animals are so set in the ways and the paths they take that even if there's not a marked or obvious trail, when you set up a camera, you will see them taking the same route every day. So yes, wild animals are creatures of habit, much as humans are. All right, what do you think? Do you have possums where you live? Yes, I know it's spelled opossum, but nobody says opossum. And if you live in the United States and Canada, the kind of possums you have, they're actually called Virginia possums or Virginian possums. I don't know, maybe they came from Virginia? Well, I guess all possums came from South America a long, long time ago. But yes, there is only one kind of possum in North America. All right, so, and possums are mean. Do not mess with them things. They got big old teeth yet. They are mean. So leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.